it is Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today we're going to be doing a bear crawl kickback on a Bosu ball. So to start, you're going to need a Bosu ball. Place it on the ground with the flat side on the ground. Your feet are going to be on top of the Bosu ball at hips distance. So you're going to set up into your tabletop position with your knees directly under your hips, your wrists underneath your shoulders, squeezing your shoulder blades together, keeping your back straight. Your knees should be about 4 to 5 inches off the ground. From here, squeezing your core tight, you're gonna fully extend one leg and then alternate. And there you have it, guys. That is a bear crawl kickback on the Bosu ball.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks, guys!